In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear recent files in Photoshop CC. If you've opened a project you'd rather not have show up in your history, or you just like keeping things tidy, this quick tutorial will help you clear your recent file list and, if you want, prevent Photoshop from saving those entries in the future. First, let's clear the existing recent files. Open Photoshop CC. At the very top of the screen, click the File menu. Hover your mouse over Open Recent. In that submenu, choose Clear Recent File List. The moment you click it, Photoshop clears the history. This doesn't delete any of your actual files, it only removes the shortcuts from the recent list. You can still open your projects the usual way through File and Open, or by browsing to the folder where they're stored. This is a great way to reduce visual clutter or avoid showing your recent work when you're sharing your screen. Now, if you prefer that Photoshop doesn't keep track of recent files at all, you can disable it. With Photoshop CC open, go to the Preferences for file handling. On Windows, that's Edit, then Preferences, then File Handling. On Mac OS, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then File Handling. In that window, find the option labeled Recent File List Contains. Set that value to 0. This tells Photoshop to maintain no entries in the recent list. Click OK to save your changes, and then restart Photoshop. After it relaunches, Photoshop will no longer store recent files. If later you decide you want the list back, just repeat those steps and change the number from 0 to a higher value. A couple of quick reminders as you work through this. Clearing the list is instantaneous and only affects the history inside Photoshop. It doesn't remove or erase any documents from your computer or cloud storage. If you don't see the change right away, make sure you selected Clear Recent File List from the Open Recent submenu, and remember that disabling the list requires a restart to take effect. Keeping the recent list off can be useful on shared or demo machines, and it can make the home screen feel cleaner if you prefer a minimal workspace. And that's it. You now know how to clear your recent files in Photoshop CC and how to stop them from appearing going forward. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.